So you want to start a course business. And I get it, you don't have a lot of time. So let me show you how you can do it quickly with no coding and all for free. So stick around. In today's video, I'm going to give you a walk through the sign-up process at Teachable.com so that you can decide for yourself whether this is a good idea for you. So let's dive in. So we're going to start off by clicking on Pricing and scroll down past these three plans that are available, and then you'll see Compare Plans. So click on that. So you see they have the 4 plans. There are no transaction fees for free courses, so keep that in mind. Processing fees are pretty much the same across the board. Same with payouts. And same with the usage. So that means putting your resources up onto their server, and you're being able to do unlimited amounts of videos and PDF downloads and so on. Now features, this is where there's a bigger difference. So you can see that the free plan comes with integrated payment processing, student management, discussion forums, and basic quizzes. In future videos, I plan on going into further detail for all of these other features. All right, so at the bottom, you go to the free plan and click Choose Plan. So you're going to complete the sign up form, click Get Started, and then give your school a name. You can always change it later. Just answer a few questions. This just helps Teachable know a little bit about your school, a little bit about you. All right, so here in the dashboard, we're going to go over on the left here the different options. So users, you've got the ability to add students manually or upon enrollment. With the free plan, you get 1 owner and 1 author. With affiliates, you can have that with the basic plan and up. Custom roles are available for higher plans, business plan and up. All right, so within the theme area, you can customize your school with logo, background images, fonts, and colors. And moving into the domains, just keep in mind that with the free plan, you cannot opt to do a custom domain, but you can change the subdomain for the Teachable.com site. So it's the name of the school, .teachable.com, that comes automatic with the free plan. Under navigation, you can set up your homepage settings, your nav bars, and your footer. You have the option of adding your bio here. Now, under Pages, you see you've got the 3 defaults: Homepage, Privacy Policy, and Terms of Use, which you can edit. And just take a peek at the homepage for your school. This is all default background image, font, colors. That's all the defaults there. Right, so comments within your courses, they can either be on or off. And you can do some custom text, code snippets, some CSS, and there's a Power Editor available for Professional Plan and up. This is where you deal with the money stuff, and then you've got emails that you can send out to your students. That's available for the basic plan and up. The next option here is settings, and there's quite a few available. However, I'm going to keep this for a future video, and creating a course as well. I hope you liked this video. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to create your first course in Teachable. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.